In the previous lesson, we learned how to express bellyache. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say stomachache. 胃疼 Please repeat after me. 胃疼胃疼胃疼 Let's say it faster. 胃疼胃疼胃疼 Therefore, I have a stomachache is 我胃疼我胃疼我胃疼 Let's practice what we have learned so far. Please repeat after me. Review 复习复习 Ouch 哎呦哎呦 I have a headache 我头疼我头疼 I have a bellyache 我肚子疼我肚子疼 I have a stomachache 我胃疼我胃疼 I'll spend lots of time and effort into making these videos. Please give me a thumb up or share. For previous lessons, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com.